Hi guys, so I have this old Snapper SR1028 with a 10 horsepower Briggs Stratton engine on it, a 28-inch cut. I bought it from this mechanic. He had like 3 lawnmowers, so he didn't need it, and I have like an acre of land, so he sold it to me for very cheap. It was working when he gave it to me, well, sold it to me. I cut with it twice. I only had to replace the belt after the first time because it ended up breaking. But I tried to cut with it maybe about a week ago for the 3rd time, and it wouldn't start. So it sounded like it wasn't getting any spark. So first I bought a new spark plug. Ended up changing the spark plug. That still didn't work. And start going through the electrical system. Saw that there was a couple of switches on it, or one of them was going to the blade. I guess it won't start with the blade engaged, so I thought maybe that switch probably went out, or that sensor went out. So I jumpered it and it started up and then it died. So I was just reading online and watching a couple YouTube videos, went through, changed the cleaned the carb on it, and then it started back up, but I noticed it started without the air filter on, and it started for about 15 seconds and then died. So I tried it again, and then I saw oil start coming through the vacuum hose in the air filter box. So just went back online, started looking at more stuff, and one of the things it said, it could be that it's I think it was called the breather valve. It might have too much oil, so it's not able to breathe. The breather valve isn't working. So went through, changed the oil, which I noticed it kind of smelled like a little gassy on it. But changed the oil, popped the filter back in. I also added a shut-off valve for the fuel line, because I didn't have one on there at first. And changed the oil and pulled. I barely pulled, and it started right up easy. And then it was smoking a lot. I guess it was burning all the oil that went through the carb, but started right up. So now it's working fine. I have to pull start it because the battery's kind of weak. Might get a new one soon. But yeah, just learned a lot from watching YouTube and reading a lot of these forums. So in case you have the same problem I've been having, that might be it. Might just need to change the oil and don't overfill the oil. Because I think that's what it was. I think the oil was overfilled from when he sold it to me. So, alright, hope this helps some people out.